Hello everyone. Today let's try to solve the problem of this Samsung smartphone. As you can see, it keeps on showing headphone. It is not getting connected. There is no sound from the speakers. Only the headphone is working. Sound is coming only from headphone. So according to customer, he says that see I'll show you. According to customer, he says that he was doing some work at the site and there is water entered inside. So let's try to solve it. First of all, switch it off. Then you need to have a heating pad. In this case, I am using an electric iron. After heating it sufficiently, I'll take a suction cup, pull it this way gently, just go on peeling it. Try to use a plastic disassembling tool. As you see, the paint has peeled here. It is because it was not heated sufficiently, and paint peeling is common. Usually it happens in nearly 20% of cases, we can say. Now these screws and see if there is water in the subboard. Yes, we can see water here. This process, whenever the water enters inside the smartphone, it need to be done within few minutes, not few days or more than a day, etc. It should be done within a few minutes before there is any oxidation. They can damage the battery and cause fire. There are no screws here. After removing the screws, remove this SIM tray. Okay, now here just remove this fingerprint sensor connector. Okay, disconnect the battery for safer side. Now this is the Here we need to remove this speaker box. Under the speaker box there is the here is the vibrator. You now disconnect this. Here we can see corrosion. Here we can see corrosion. First of all, disconnect this one. Okay, be careful. Okay, now take out the subboard. See that it will not damage any of the. As you can see, here there is a lot of water inside. So let me clean it with the isopropylene and check if it works. Keep the phone aside. Here is the microphone. See that the IP does not enter inside the microphone. If any of the components have come out, then we will have to replace them. Now it is clean. Now let's clean the connector here. It's good that the water has not entered inside the display or near the main board. It has entered only in the subboard section. Be careful. See that none of the connectors are damaged. Just remove the rust or oxidation. So after cleaning and heating it on the pad, now let's fix it back again. The black one goes here. First thing is the white one. So now fix the white one. Locked. If these two RF cables are not fixed properly, then there will be issue with the network. So fix them properly without damaging them without any other issues. These are the speaker connecting pads, they are good. So if there is no sound from speaker again, then we'll have to check it back. These were the screws here. And one more is here. Okay, now let's connect the battery. First I'll connect this fingerprint and the power key. Fingerprint come power key. Let's switch it on and check if it shows no power keys. Sorry. Power key is on the front octa and fingerprint is separate. Now it's good, you can see there is no earphone symbol. So I will connect one earphone and check if there is a earphone symbol or not. As you can see, now earphone symbol. If I disconnect, it's not there. Now we will fix it back. Just go from one side or from the top. Okay, now turn it off. Okay. Now there are no screws under the camera glass, so we will fix it back. See? Again, we have fixed all the screws. Now we will insert SIM card. Insert the SIM card. Now switch it on. By the time it switches on, I will adjust this adhesive tape. If you wish, you can try for getting an adhesive tape in the local market. As you can see here, the paint has peeled out, so we'll just cut it up. Presently I'll fix this peeled one itself. Later, if customer wishes, I will go for a. See, now we are able to hear sound from speaker. So it's good. No. This sound is good. Okay, hope this. I'll show you to fixing this as well. As this is a black color, a dark color smartphone, I will use a black color adhesive. Just apply the adhesive, thin coat. Okay, now what I'm doing is okay, fix it in this way. Now we need to keep it under pressure by using some clips like this for several minutes so that the glue will dry. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing the water lock and always headphones condition of your Samsung smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.